launch the rocket.
What's the name of your rocket?
The golden arrow. Golden arrow.
Do you think it's gonna go far?
Yeah.
How high is it gonna go?
1,000 feet in the air, obviously. A couple hundred. A lot, like she said.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name?
Jack.
What's your age?
7.
Where are we?
A church. I don't know what church.
And what is this rocket?
I don't know if it's gonna be the golden bullet or the golden arrow.
Okay, show us your teeth. Okay, now ready?
Yeah.
What about your first flight?
Okay. I think it landed on the roof or in the grass. That roof, not that.
Was it successful?
No, not in that roof. In that tiny roof.
Was it a good flight? Are you proud of it?
Not really.
Did you find the rocket?
No, I think the parachute never exploded out. Okay, Dad, go at the rocket.
I'm looking.
No, at the rocket.
Okay, I will, but do a countdown.
So that one is named the the silver bullet. That.
Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, lift off.